I'm Patty from Southern Blessed Homestead, and my husband Mac is here, and my son Luke is with us. And then we have His Way Homestead channel with Shelly and Doug, and they're helping us as well today. And we are blessing Grandma Rose Homestead, which is Miss Ginger. So our goal today is to get her greenhouse up, and then also any other things that we can help her with. So we'll probably also be weeding or taking care of some her plants and helping her put up some trellises or stuff as well. So.
Okay, so Patty's already told you about what they're doing, helping me build a greenhouse. And I am so excited because I've been wanting a greenhouse for years. Okay, I start all my plants from seed. I mean, every now and then I'll see something at the garden center that I just have to have, but for the most part, I start all of my plants from seed. And that's hard to do inside a house in the wintertime. There's just all the grow lights and all of that stuff is expensive. And by the time you buy all the setup to grow lights inside, you might as well have a greenhouse. So that's what I'm doing. I will be able to start my plants basically inside on a heat mat. And as soon as they come up, then I can move them outside where I don't have to have the grow lights. And I've got lots more room.
I'm Commander Bacon with His Way Homestead, and we got in the background Shelly with Healthy Homestead Chick. And today we're helping Grandma Rose, and we're going to build a greenhouse for her. Currently what we're doing is just laying out the perimeter of it, making sure where it needs to be, and then we're going to start putting in the stakes in the ground, and then we'll attach the hoops and put it on the wood on the bottom of it, and then put the plastic across it.
Okay, so we've been working all morning and we're tired and hot and sweaty. But we are maybe not quite halfway. We got the ribs up. The hard part was putting the lower end of the pipes in because we had to make sure everything was squared and leveled. So that took a long time. So once we got that done and we got the ribs in, the beams, hoops, whatever you want to call them, and so we're screwing them in now. So the next is just doing like a pole down the center, and then the back wall, and then the sides that hold the plastic, trucking right along, but the heat's just really wearing us down. So, thanks for watching, appreciate y'all.
Okay, it's midday, and we got a couple things accomplished. Shelly and I from His Way Homestead, we got her trellis in and braced up, and then to make sure until she gets a door a gate there, we put some fencing in front of it so her dog will not escape and she doesn't have to run after him. But we got that done for her, and we've been enjoying each other's company, and Grandma Rose showing us her kitchen skills and made us a yummy dessert and Mississippi mud dessert, and it was delicious. And right now we are just enjoying the coolness of the afternoon for a few minutes while the fellas are continuing on with the greenhouse. We're going to venture into the house and just help her with a couple little projects in there, and then we might come back out and see what we can get our hands on around here as well. It's a work day, but it's also a fellowship day because we don't live close enough where we can just jump around and see each other, so we are going to enjoy each other's company. We've been learning from each other what we use in our gardens and how we treat our animals, and just getting to know each other a little bit better too. So that's what we've been having a good time.
All right, so we've been working on the greenhouse. A lot of the preliminary work, getting the stakes square and measured properly and all that took a lot of time. But we got all the stakes in the ground. We got the hoops up over top, mounted to the stakes. We got the horizontal piece securing the hoops together. And we've got the 2x4, pressure treated 2x4 perimeter at the bottom on. So the only thing that's left is to assemble the ends, the framework for the ends of the walls, and put the track in order to secure the plastic to the greenhouse. And that'll be it. Install the plastic and we're done. So pretty good progress. It's really hot, really hot, and we just can't do any more today. So we're just gonna have to come back another day and finish it up. But we did pretty good, I think.
Tell me your name and
You're not getting my social security number.
Extreme close up. Let me hold a level like I know. Hold on a second.
Hold on, let's see. Yep, Mack's pretty level-headed guy.